Hello and welcome to this Limelight Orchestrate video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add custom media properties to your account. This is an advanced feature of Limelight Orchestrate Video, so if you don't have it, you can contact support or your account manager to get it set up. Now, the best way for me to show you this is to think of it from a specific business need. So in this example, I'm going to pretend that I am a bookstore owner with a digital presence, and I have a number of book trailers in my account that are associated with different authors, and I want to add some specific media properties, some specific data associated with this account so I can search and sort and organize by some unique data. So over here we have the media properties section, and in the media properties section there's plenty of metadata already. There's a title, there's a genre, there are tags we can add, and a number of other things. But I want to do some things that are actually very specific to my business needs. For example, I want to include things like the author name, the book publisher, and even the SKU for the book. So in order to do that, I'm going to add these things to my Limelight account by going up to Settings and going to Custom Properties. And here you see where we can add new properties to the account. So that's adding new fields that we can enter information into. So I'm going to click on Add New Property, and this opens that up for me. So for, let's say, this first property, I think I'm going to add author. I want to be able to search my trailers by author. And I think I'm going to make this, instead of free-form text, I'm going to add it as a list. So I'm going to create a number of author names. I'm going to add my author names to this account. There's a couple there. I'll do one more. So those are the current authors I have available, that I have in my account. And then I think I'm going to save that one, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to add another new property. This one I'm going to call the publisher. And I'm going to leave that as a text so I can enter all different publishers for my books. So I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to add one more, and that one is going to be the SKU number, like the barcode number associated with my book. I'm going to leave that as a text, a free form as well, so any of my employees can go in and enter different SKUs, and I'm going to save that. This was here originally. I think I'm going to delete that one. I don't need that one for now. But you know, I changed my mind. I think I want to go back here for the publisher, and I think it's important for me to make a list for that too. So some of the publishers, well, one category would be authors who are self-published. I have some of those kind of titles in my store. Another one is, let's say, Random House, right? They're a publisher. And I'll add one more. I'll add, let's see, Book Mountain. So I have these titles associated with my publisher metadata, and I think I'm in good shape here, so I'm going to go back to my account. So I'm going to just click back over to media properties, and I'm going to take a look at my books. So now here, in addition to the standard metadata, I have these other pieces of data that I can add information to. So let's say I want to talk about, I want to add some information to this big barn book. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go over here, and the author for that is someone I know. There is Anne Stone. She wrote the barn book, and the publisher for that is Book Mountain, and the SKU for that, the number for that is 4456. So if I click down to this other one, the Book of Skiing, I can see that there's nothing in those fields. But when I click back up to the barn book, I see that these fields are added. So I want to leave you with one more piece of information. You can search and sort across your metadata by simply typing in the piece of metadata here in the search bar. You can also search on your custom metadata, the things that we just applied. You can click on this column here and even look at only one or two pieces of information that you want to see. So I'm clicking off of some of these things, and we're going to only search on author, and there we have it. So this will come in very handy when you have many files in your console. And it's also, these custom fields are also accessible via API. So this is a solid overview of customizing metadata in your Limelight Orchestrate video account, which will help serve your unique business needs. Thank you.